Hey everybody, this is Dr. Will Pagarin, and today I want to talk about the CRP rubric and feedback that's available on the Thinking Nation platform. But before that, I want to start off with this quote. Learners need endless feedback more than they need endless teaching. This comes from Grant Wiggins. This quote hits at the truth that feedback is essential to learning. Our platform, which we're going to look at in a minute, provides feedback, specific feedback on the CRP, on the curated research paper, that allows learners not only to see how they scored and how they did, but what areas they can improve. Let's take a deeper look and their own individualized scores on how they've been doing on the formatives and on the summatives. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as a student, and let me log in. And when I log in as a student, the first thing I'm going to see is this dashboard. Now, this dashboard tells me which assignments I currently have, which assignments are late, which ones I have submitted, and for the purposes of this video, which ones are graded and have feedback. So I'm going to look at the CRP, which are the curated research papers. And if I'm this student, student 21, I can see which ones of my curated research papers have been graded. So I'm going to click on this one on the separation of powers. And what I want to see is I want to view my essay and the feedback provided. So here again is a summarized version of my essay. So you can see here that I received a score of 3.5. And again, it shows me the prompt. And the most important part is it's going to give me a breakdown of the score. And so here I'm able to see, okay, how did my thesis go? And I can see that I received 0 points here out of 1. And it tells you a little bit of the feedback that I can do to improve and to receive these points. What textual evidence did I use? Here I received 0, and the most possible is 2. Here's the historical thinking evidence, which the historical skill targeted was contextualization. And this point I did get. And now it talks about purpose, outside evidence, and the historical thinking skill, another historical thinking skill, causation. Now, it finally talks a little bit about the writing dynamics and gives me my final score here at the bottom. Now, as a student, I'm able to use the feedback form that we provide here at Thinking Nation to make targeted goals and corrections that I can make on my next CRP. And the whole point of this feedback is that it's immediate. It provides the learners with clear, actionable steps to improve, and it's available on our platform. And finally, you can see that every essay that they write, they can see it here on the platform. Here's another essay. Again, here's the breakdown. Here's the feedback that's provided, and I'm able to see my score. And finally, you can see here, you can download this. If you want the students to have it as a PDF, they can have their scores here, and they can kind of see where they're going and where their essay was scored. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everybody.